Many adults sleep 7 or 8 hours every night and still wake up tired. This experience has become so common that it is often treated as normal. But constant fatigue is not a natural state for the human body. In the past, sleep reliably restored energy. Today, sleep often fails to do so. The reason is not laziness or lack of discipline. The reason is that recovery depends on more than the number of hours spent asleep. Sleep is not a single process. It is a complex biological system that works only when certain conditions are met. Sleep simply means the brain enters a different state. Recovery means the body repairs itself. During true recovery, important processes take place. Cells repair damage, muscles regenerate, hormones rebalance, the immune system resets, the brain clears waste that builds up during the day. Most of this repair happens during deep sleep. Deep sleep usually occurs earlier in the night and requires stability. If deep sleep is shortened or interrupted, recovery remains incomplete. This explains why someone can sleep for many hours and still wake up exhausted. The body rested, but it did not fully repair itself. Modern sleep is fragile. Sleep happens in repeating cycles that last about 90 minutes. These cycles move through light sleep, deep sleep, and dreaming sleep. For recovery to work properly, these cycles need to remain intact. Modern life often disrupts them. Stress causes brief awakenings that many people do not remember. Late meals keep digestion active at night. Caffeine and alcohol interfere with sleep depth. Irregular bedtimes confuse the body's internal rhythm. Even small disruptions reduce deep sleep. Over time, the nervous system learns to stay alert at night. Sleep becomes lighter and less effective. Stress hormones play a major role. Cortisol keeps the body alert during the day. At night, cortisol should naturally decline. In modern environments, stress often remains active after sunset. Work pressure, emotional load, and constant stimulation prevent the body from fully relaxing. When cortisol stays elevated at night, deep sleep shortens. Repair processes slow down. The brain remains partially alert. The body chooses readiness over restoration. Sleep continues, but true recovery is reduced. Light exposure further disrupts recovery. The body relies on darkness to signal nighttime repair. Artificial light delays this signal. Screens and indoor lighting push the body's internal clock later. This delays melatonin, a hormone that coordinates nighttime restoration. When melatonin is delayed, deep sleep and recovery hormones are released for a shorter time. The body falls asleep, but the internal timing is misaligned. Night after night, this shortens the biological night and lowers energy levels. Sleep debt then builds quietly. This does not require extreme sleep loss. Small reductions in deep or uninterrupted sleep accumulate over time. The body adapts by lowering its baseline energy output. Concentration weakens. Emotional balance declines. Physical recovery slows. One long night of sleep cannot erase this debt. True recovery requires consistency across many nights. The nervous system ultimately determines how well sleep restores energy. If the alert system remains active, the body cannot fully repair itself. Chronic fatigue is often a biological response to modern conditions, not a personal failure. Restorative sleep depends on timing, depth, and nervous system calm. When these conditions are disrupted, sleep loses its restorative power. Understanding this changes how fatigue is viewed. It shifts the focus from effort to biology. Sleep still matters, but how sleep happens matters even more.